Ever wondered why your vehicle's battery keeps draining, even when the charging system seems to be working perfectly? Well, the culprit might be a parasitic draw. But what is a parasitic draw, you ask? Picture a tiny creature, a parasite, slowly siphoning off your battery's power. This is normal to some extent. Clocks, security systems on bikes, and other minor systems do cause a slight draw. However, an excessive draw could indicate a problem, like a shorted wire or a faulty accessory light. Here's how to check for a parasitic draw. First, you'll need the right kind of multimeter, one that can read in amps. Even the most inexpensive ones usually have this feature. They should have an inbuilt fuse and be capable of reading up to 10 amps. Start by setting your meter to the highest amperage allowed, which in most cases is 10 amps. This ensures you don't blow any fuses in your meter. Next, remove the negative cable of the battery, leaving the positive cable attached. Take your meter, set it to the amp reading, and connect the positive lead directly to the negative cable you moved earlier. Then, connect the negative lead to the battery. If the reading is still 0 amps, switch your meter over to the 500 milliamp setting and repeat the process. Now every bike is different. The owner's manual or service manual will specify the acceptable parasitic draw. For example, a VTX 1300 should have a draw of 2 milliamps. If the draw is higher than specified, you have a short to ground somewhere in the harness. From here, it's a process of elimination. Start disconnecting parts of the system. If there's a significant draw, you can connect a light bulb or a relay to the system. As you disconnect parts, watch for the light bulb to dim or go out, or listen for the relay to stop clicking. Once you've found the part causing the draw, you can trace the problem from the harness to the disconnected part. In summary, a parasitic draw test can help diagnose why your battery keeps draining. All you need is a multimeter and a bit of patience. Begin by testing the amperage draw, then switch to milliamps if necessary. Consult your manual for the acceptable draw for your specific vehicle. If the draw is too high, start disconnecting parts until you find the culprit. This simple but effective diagnostic tool could save you time, money, and frustration. So the next time your battery mysteriously drains, don't just replace it. Test for a parasitic draw first. It might just solve your problem.
Unlock the secrets of motorcycle mechanics and elevate your skills with our expert-led course. Click the link in the description now and start your journey to mastery today.